Good morning, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. So, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about Craigslist and how it can help you in your $25 one-up business. Okay, so I'm logged into my Craigslist back office, or my account. This is the ad that I created last night. All right, see the date here, March 6, 2019. Okay, and this is very important. This is the area that I posted it in. I posted it under computer gigs. Now, the reason why I posted this ad under computer gigs is because I know that a lot of people are looking for opportunities to make money from their home or something of the sort, right? So this is a great place to gain leads for your business because, as I said, there are people looking for opportunities like the ones that are provided to members of $25 one up. All right. Now with Craigslist, you have to be very careful on how you promote this, okay? This is one of the main reasons why I have my text marketing software in place because Craigslist is very leery on, putting links in your ads and things like that. All right. So I'm going to show you guys the ad that I printed out that I created last night. All right. Basic ad. Social media marketers wanted it, work from your smartphone or laptop, work when you want, training provided, no experience necessary. Earn a daily income, must be a self-starter, must be willing to learn new things. For more details, text payday to 718-305-4762 from your smartphone. All right. Now, the reason why I rewarded this ad like this, especially this bottom part, is because I want people to know what they get should they choose to join, but not giving them everything in one ad. Give them a little bit of information, right? And if they want more details, you have them text your phone number. Now, as I said, Craigslist is very weary about putting links in your ad. So by having a text marketing software with your own text messaging number, it allows the prospects to contact you, in order to get the information to your website, which is actually very cool. All right. Um, as I said, you want to give a bit of information in your ad, but you don't want to give away everything. All right. So once your prospect contacts you, they text the number. They get the information that they need, they look it over, and then they go from there themselves. They make a decision for themselves. All right. So let's go take a look at some proof because this ad was working for me, like I said, about 11 hours ago, and I'm going to show you what this ad has done for me. All right. Here's my text marketing software that I use. Okay. In the last 11 hours, as the ad said, I've had about six people contact me for information on the ad through my text marketing software, and one person unsubscribed. Okay, which is fine. People are gonna unsubscribe. Sorry, hopefully I'm saying that right. Unsubscribe from your campaigns, and that's fine. That's totally fine. People generally just want the information, but for the ones that do stay as subscribers, at a later date and time, you can contact them and follow up with them and see if they have any questions about the opportunity. If they have any reservations or anything like that, you can answer the questions for them through your dashboard. Okay, you can see my dashboard here. Um, Again, with the text messaging software, it's not a real phone number, which is actually great because you don't want to give people your real phone number. They'll call you and a whole bunch of other issues that you may have, and that's something you don't want to deal with. Okay, so at the end of the day, guys, does Craigslist work? Yes, it does. Can you get leads from Craigslist? Yes, you can. You just have to learn how to utilize the text marketing software the right way. Utilize it the right way. Don't go overboard with it, and you can have success with it. Okay. I'm not going to go into details into a deep, in-depth training because I have a video that I created inside of my for the people that join me in the business. I have a video that I created for them that gives them a little bit more in-depth detail into what it is that I do and how I set it up. Okay. But I just wanted to come on here and record this video for you guys and just tell you that Craigslist can work for your $25 one-up business once you utilize text marketing software and Craigslist the right way. Okay. Guys, I hope you have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the rambling, sorry for the stuttering a little bit. But again, have a great day and just remember, utilize text marketing software for your business, okay? Even if you don't utilize it for Craigslist, just utilize it for something else because it's a great tool to have, and it's a great option for those who, want to try something different offline as well. All right? Take care, guys, and have a great day.